NeoPixels are LEDs with built-in serial controls that make controlling LEDs in a chain very easy. While each LED is addressed, the addressing is all done in software. NeoPixels only require 3 wires: power, ground, and data. While a NeoPixel could be interacted with using fully custom C code, it would not be the most elegant method. Thankfully, a NeoPixel library has already been created. In a new project in the Particle Build IDE, click the Libraries option in the menu bar and search for NeoPixel. Select the NeoPixel library and include it in the new project. Using NeoPixels with the library is done with a class called Adafruit NeoPixel. Initializing the object requires several parameters that relate to the NeoPixel itself: the number of pixels in the chain, the pin the NeoPixel is connected to, and the type of pixel. While the first 2 parameters are self-explanatory, the third, which is the NeoPixel type, might not be, but it can be left blank if using standard Adafruit NeoPixels. While these values can be directly passed into the class constructor function, it is better to use some defined variables that allow for easy adjusting later. The setup example below is for use with a NeoPixel ring, which is compatible with a Particle Photon. Once the object has been initialized, the function begin needs to be called before it can be accessed and used. It is best to put this instruction inside the setup routine, as it only needs to be called once. Before any functions that change the color of the LEDs is looked at, the updating function show needs to be understood first. During code execution, the LED color states are held inside the NeoPixel object and can be changed at any time, but the physical NeoPixel is not updated until the show function is called. This allows for updates to the NeoPixel to occur after the colors are changed to their desired values, and then all the LEDs are updated in one operation. For example, in the main loop, a change color function can be called to adjust a number of LEDs, but those physical LEDs won't change color until the show function is called. There are a number of set color functions, but the most important one is set pixel color. This function takes 4 required arguments and 1 optional argument: pixel number, red, green, blue, and white. The white parameter is optional because not all NeoPixels have inbuilt white LEDs. The colors have values ranging from 0 to 255, which results in the standard 16 million color possibilities. The pixel number is the nth pixel in the chain, so if this number was set to 5, then the 5th pixel in the NeoPixel chain will be changed. The function setBrightness is used to change the brightness of the NeoPixel chain, but note that this affects all the NeoPixels and not just one NeoPixel. The value passed to this function determines the brightness, with values ranging from 0 to 255 being valid. This simple example will make a NeoPixel display a single LED that appears to run around a NeoPixel ring.